I was really impressed. Standing here today, you cannot imagine that there were 2 meters of water everywhere. I was impressed when I heard that, people sometimes try to save the cattle first and putting their own life at risk because that's what they have. And I was impressed when meeting with some of these community members and telling me we don't need food for us. We need something for our cattle. We need food for our the different animals. We need vaccines and we need seeds. We need seeds to be able to plant the food that we will harvest in a few months from now. I was aware there was a little bit, I guess not enough, of international assistance to this region. I realized the resilience of the people and the assistance and the solidarity shown at community level and then a bit wider, and throughout the country. I'm really impressed by this. I'm sure all these people trying to help will not be able to do enough, but they will do their best to do as much as they can. And me, I'm a bit ashamed to come with so little, but I will do my best to echo your needs as good as I can. So good luck to you, really.
Thank you.